Hello everyone. Now we are going to start September 12 to 18, 12 to 18 second week current affairs. This is part 1 and we will try to cover part 2 as well in this video. Now let's start. NHPC 180 megawatt Birla Seol power station at Chamba, Himachal Pradesh. NHPC made 180 megawatt Birla Seol power station at Chamba, Himachal Pradesh. 2021 Beijing Winter Olympic by IOC suspended North Korea. International Olympic Committee suspended North Korea from Beijing Winter Olympic. Subsidy lower hydroelectric project on Subansari River. NHPC. Nuakhai Harvest Festival at Odisha. NIRF India ranking IIT Madras. IIT ranking IIT Madras top. US plus India Climate Action and Finance Mobilization Dialogue. US plus India Climate Action and Financial Mobilization Dialogue. Assam Electronics Development Corporation, iBus Network, Digital Information and Assam Electronics Development Corporation plus iBus Network. Bharti Praveen Pawar represented India at 74th session of the WHO Southeast Asia Regional Office organized by Nepal. Bharti Praveen Pawar represent India at 74th session WHO Southeast Asia Regional Office organized by Nepal. 10th September World Suicide Prevention Day. IRDAI issue composite broking license to Hero Insurance Broking Limited. Till March 2022, IRDAI issue broking license to Hero Insurance Broking India Limited till 2022 March. Medicines from the Sky Telangana scheme. Medicine from the Sky Telangana. Secretary General of the Inter-Parliamentary Union IPU Martin Chungong. Secretary General of IPU Martin. Eliud Kipchoge from Kenya gold medal in Marathon 2020 Olympic. Who win the gold medal in Marathon 2020 Olympic? He covered the distance 42.2 km. Eliud from Kenya. Liquidity Adjustment Facility recommended by LAF Narsimhan Committee. NSO MOS PI Consumer Price Index on base 2012 at 100 at 5.30% August 2021. NSO MOS PI Consumer Price Index CPI is 5.30%. And base rate is and the base year is 2012. World EV Day. E-Mobility 9 September. World EV Day. Electric Vehicle Day. E-Mobility 9 September. 14 September Hindi Divas. PM led Raja Mahendra Pratap Singh University UP Aligarh. PM led Raja Mahendra Pratap Singh University at UP Aligarh. Raja Mahendra Pratap Singh UP Aligarh. Insurance couple or partner joint life insurance. Joint life insurance. DBS Bank Swift Global Payment Innovation Real-Time Tracking. DBS Bank Swift Global Payment Innovation Real-Time Tracking. BHEL Hydra Telangana. First high ash coal methanol production plant. BHEL Hydro at Telangana. Government of India, transport and marketing assistant dairy products by 100%. Government of India, transport and marketing assistant dairy products by 100%. GVA, gross value added, is the sum of country's GDP and net subsidies minus taxes in the economy. What is gross value added? It is the sum of country's GDP and net subsidies minus taxes. GDP plus net subsidies minus taxes. 10 merchant bank to manage IPO of LIC. There are 10 merchant banks which manage the IPO of LIC. CEO of Vistara, Vinod Kanan. CEO of Vistara, Vinod Kanan. 22nd National Award for Energy excelled by CCI to Golden Rock. 22nd National Award for Energy Excellence by competition by CII to Golden Rock Railway Workshop, Tiruchirappalli. Golden Rock Railway Workshop won the 22nd National Award for Energy Excellence. It is held at Tiruchirappalli. National Forest Martyrs Day, 11th September. Khejarali Massacre. Khejarali. National Forest Martyrs Day, 11th September, Khejarali. Mohan Bagan legend Bhabani Roy football pass away. Mohan Bagan legend Bhabani Roy. Mohan Bagan legend Bhabani Roy football pass away. New Chief Secretary Andhra Pradesh Samir Sharma. New Chief Secretary of Andhra Pradesh Samir Sharma. Italian Grand Prix Daniel Ricciardo. LIC allowed surplus to shareholders. 95:5 ratio. Policyholders, shareholders. The ratio is 95:5. Policyholder, shareholder. Oscar Fernandez, politician, pass away. Chairman of National Commission of Minorities, Iqbal Singh Lalpura. Chairman of National Committee of Minorities. NSO released Situation Assessment of Agriculture, Household and Land Householding 2019 that stated 50.2% of Indians' agriculture households were in debt. 50.2% of India's agriculture household and land were in debt. NSO has released this report, Situation Assessment of Agriculture, Household and Land Holdings 2019. QS MBA ranking. IIM Ahmedabad top B school. IIM Bangalore rank at 50. IIM Ahmedabad B school top. IIM Bangalore 50. India Africa Defence Dialogue. Defence Expo, Gandhinagar, Gujarat. India Africa Defence Dialogue, Defence Expo, Gandhinagar, Gujarat. IIT Kanpur MOU, Indian Air Force Academic and Research. IIT Kanpur MOU with Indian Air Force. IIT Kanpur MOU with Indian Air Force Academic and Research. Chairperson of National Company Law Appeal, M. Venugopal. Chairperson of National Company NCLA Chairperson M. Venugopal. UN South Cooperation 12 September. National Hindi Divas 14 September. Behor Rajendra Sima. Tamil Nadu announce Mahakavi Day. Birth anniversary of Subramania Bharati, 11th September. Mahakavi Day, 11th September, Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu announce Mahakavi Day, 11th September, birth anniversary of Subramania Bharti. Mullah Mohan Hassan, PM of Afghan. Women's single title US Open, Ima Raducanu. Women's single title US Open, Ima Raducanu. Marcos Trizo New Development Bank. Paytm Payment Bank, New Delhi Metro Rail Corporation. Paytm Payment Bank tied up with New Delhi Metro Rail Corporation. Iceland largest plant for carbon dioxide capture. Telangana Language Day, 9th September. Poet Kaloji Narayan Rao. Telangana Language Day, 9th September. Poet Kaloji Narayan Rao. INS Tabar, Sudan Navy, Red Sea. Bank of Baroda, banking services under one roof. BOB World. Tamil Nadu MOU with Dubai-based DP World to invest 2,000 crore. Tamil Nadu MOU with Dubai-based DP World. Tamil Nadu DP World to invest 2,000 crore. China Aerostel Geofen 502. China Aerostel Geofen 502. Strategic Clean Energy Partnership India plus USA. Chantu Taiwan Typhoon. Rahul Dravid brand ambassador of Piramal. INS Dhruv satellite and nuclear missile tracking ship. Chairman and MD of BHEL Nalin Singhal. State Bank of India raised 4,000 crore through AT1 bond at coupon rate 7.72%. State Bank of India raised 4,000 crore through AT1 bond at coupon rate 7.72%. Kakatiya Rudreshwar Temple is located at Warangal, Telangana. Vijay Rupani, Gujarat CM, resign. Girish Chandra Murmu, Chairman of ASOSAI. Girish Chandra Murmu, Asian Organization of Supreme Audit Institution for 3 years. Chairman Girish Chandra Murmu, 2024 to 2027. US India SCEP 2021 Emerging Fuels fifth pillar. US India Emerging Fuels is the fifth pillar of SCEP 2021. 12th Defense Expo India Africa, the Emerging Defense Manufacturing Hub. 12 Defense Expo India Australia, the theme is Emerging Defense Manufacturing Hub. Renew Power 250 megawatt solar project Rajasthan. Solar project Rajasthan. Sushant Sinha, MD and CEO of Renew Power. I Rasti Nitin Gadkari, Nagpur. Dornier Aircraft Sagar Initiative India to Mauritius. Dornier Aircraft Sagar Initiative India to Mauritius. Vishwa Patidar Samaj built Sadardham Bhavan at Ahmedabad. Vishwa Patidar Samaj built Saradham Bhavan at Ahmedabad to build residential facility for students. ITBP Mount Balbala Peak Uttarakhand. Najib Mikati, PM of Lebanon. Najib Mikati, PM of Lebanon. Beirut capital. Bhupendra Patel, 17th CM of Gujarat. India plus Australia, New Delhi. 2+2 ministerial dialogue. Foreign Minister of Australia, Maurice Payne. CEO of Yahoo, Jim Lanzone. PM Kusum ranked first in installed off-grid solar pumps, Haryana. PM Kusum ranked first in installing off-grid solar pumps at Haryana. Cristiano Ronaldo, Guinness World Record, highest scoring man. Cristiano Ronaldo, Guinness World Record, highest scoring man. World Bank release groundswell to acting on inter-climate change migration report. World Bank released groundswell to acting on inter-climate change migration report. Over 216 million people migrate. Over 216 million people migrate. Chhattisgarh Hyderabad Millet Mission. Chhattisgarh plus Hyderabad Millet Mission. PM Modi inaugurated Sardam Bhavan, Ahmedabad. PM Modi inaugurated Sardam Bhavan at Ahmedabad. National Small Industry Cooperation MOU ArcelorMittal Nippon. National Small Industries Cooperation. Sign MOU with ArcelorMittal to support MSME steel sector. PM of Marcos Aziz acknowledged. Morocco Aziz. Vice Chairman of Gandhi Smriti and Darshan Smriti, Vijay Goel. Vice Chairman of Gandhi Smriti, Vijay Goel. Income tax return December 30. Income tax returns filed till December 31st. ICICI Bank sees the function of ICICI Lombard. Rizu Bawa actor pass away. World First Aid Day, second Saturday of September. World First Aid Day, second Saturday of September. First Aid Day, second Saturday of September. Actor Subramanian Swamy, Human Rights and Terrorism of India. Author Subramanian Swamy, Human Rights and Terrorism of India. Jasprit Bumrah, fastest Indian bowler to take 100 wickets. Jasprit Bumrah, fastest Indian bowler to take 100 wickets. World Cup squad. Dhoni was appointed by BCCI for mentoring 2020 World Cup squad. Infant and Child Mortality in Assam, book written by Dipanjali and Suresh written a book, Infant and Child Mortality in Assam. 11th September, be a hero at school and in your community. 11th September, be a hero at school and in your community. It is a theme of World AIDS Day. Skyroot Aerospace, first private company plus did agreement with ISRO. Skyroot Aerospace agreement with ISRO, first private company है. India's largest open air fernery, 120 varieties of firms, right? Ranikhet, Uttarakhand. India's largest open fernery, 120 varieties of ferns at Ranikhet, Uttarakhand. Harsh Realities book, Harsh Mariwala plus Ramcharan. Write a book, Harsh Realities. 8 electronic sports medal event introduced in 19th Asian Game. 8 electronic sports medal event held at Hangzhou, China. MD of Mahindra and Mahindra, Pawan Kumar Goenka. MD of Mahindra and Mahindra, Pawan Kumar Goenka. MD of Mahindra and Mahindra, Pawan Kumar Goenka. In space, Indian National Space Promotion Authorization Center. In space, Indian National Space Promotion Authorization Center. Remotely piloted aircraft system. Remotely piloted aircraft system, Coal India Limited. RPAS Coal India Limited. RPAS Coal India Limited. US Open 1881 makes American Rajiv Ram plus British Joy British Joy Salisbury. British Joy Salisbury. US Open mix American plus British Rajiv Ram plus Joy. Earth's northernmost island of Greenland, name Quequrtux Avanlakirk. US Open main Daniel Medvedev. US Open. Brandon Taylor, Zimbabwe, retired. Amazon Pay plus Quora offer wealth management services. Amazon Pay Quora. Now we are going to start part second. Kishan Store, doorstep delivery of agriculture products by Amazon. Kisan Store, Amazon. RBI plus Singapore link UPI Pay Now by July 2022. RBI plus Singapore link UPI Pay Now by July 2022. Indian women's hockey team 8. Indian women hockey team rank 8. Joshua Chinappa named as the brand ambassador of ASICS. Virat Kohli brand ambassador of Hyperice. Translating myself and others, Jhumpa Lahiri. UK, US and Australia. AU, KUS, Indo-Pacific Region Defense. BLS International Services Limited, NHA Ayushman Bharat Cards. BLS International Services Limited, NHA National Health Authority Scheme. Ayushman Bharat Cards, BLS. Ayushman Bharat Card, BLS. Finance Corporation launch Euro Green Bond. Euro 300 million for 7 years. Finance Corporation Limited. Power Finance Corporation Limited launched Euro 300 million 7 years Euro Green Card by World Bank Discount Ease of Living. World Bank discontinued discontinued Ease of Living Index and Anand Kumar Swamy Brahmanand Award. Women's Prize for Fiction, Susana Clark Piranesi. Women's Prize for Fiction, Susana Clark Piranesi. Fiction Prize. Trade and Development Report. GDP 7.2% UNCTAD. SpaceX Crew Dragon Capsule 3-day mission Inspiration 4. SpaceX Crew Dragon Capsule 3-day mission Inspiration 4. Tata Steel first CO2 capture plant. Lasith Malinga, Sri Lanka cricket. He is taking retirement. Renewable Energy Country Attractiveness Index. Ernst and Young released the report. India ranked 3rd position while US top. Renewable Energy Country Attractiveness Index. India 3rd position, US top. Released by Ernst and Young. Cricket Foundation Company launched world's first cricket non-fungible token NFT named CricketCrazy.io. CricketCrazy.io to create financial opportunities financial opportunities for retired cricketer. Niti Aayog plus RMI top remote zero pollution delivery vehicles campaign Shonia. Campaign Shonia. Niti Aayog RMI zero pollution delivery vehicles campaign Shonia. 15 September World Lymphoma Awareness Day. 15 September World Lymphoma Awareness Day. Ram Nath Kovind National Florence Nightingale Award 2020 to 51 nurses. Kashmir OYO MBA pass away PM of Gabon. Kashmir PM of Gabon. Project Udaan IIT Bombay. Manrega Eminent Awareness Week 27 to 2nd. Manrega Eminent Awareness Week 27 to 2nd September. 2 times Olympic gold medal Yuri Sadrek, Soviet Union hammer throw. 2 times Olympic gold medal winner Yuri Sadrek, Soviet Union. He is from Soviet Union hammer throw. 3-day cycling. 3-day Earth circling private trip SpaceX. 3-day Earth circling private trips SpaceX. National Defense Authority woman entry Supreme Court. National Defense Authority woman entry Supreme Court. Global Buddhist Conference Bihar. Payment bank license from RBI. Airtel Payment Bank license from RBI. Airtel Payment Bank. Development of freedom Amartya Sen. My MG Meghalaya. Meghalaya. Citizen engagement and governance process. World Patient Safety Day 16 September. Safe maternal and newborn care. World Patient Safety Day 16 September. Safe maternal and newborn care. BHEL commissioned largest floating solar power plant. NTPC Simadri at Andhra Pradesh. BHEL commission. Joy Root August Player of the Month August by ICC. SBI Chairman Rajneesh Kumar, Economic Advisor Andhra Pradesh. SBI Chairman Rajneesh Kumar, Economic Advisor Andhra Pradesh. Nirmala Sitharaman over 30600 crore for bank for bad bank. Nirmala Sitharaman over 30600 crore for bad bank. Mamata Banerjee and other Poonawalla and PM. Times Magazine 100 most influential people. Jeev Milkha Singh got 10-year Dubai visa. Golden Golf. Jeev Milkha Singh golf player got 10-year Dubai visa. Golden visa. Pankaj Tripathi, ambassador of Fino Payment Bank. Pankaj Tripathi, Fino Payment Bank. Assam Sidbi, one district, one product. PNB, IIFL Home Finance Housing Loan and MSME Loans. PNB, IIFL Home Finance. Sonu Sood Jhandubam brand ambassador. PNB, IIFL Home Finance Housing Finance. Largest licensed non-fungible token for sports, entertainment and art. Collection. Largest licensed NFT for sports, entertainment and art. Collection. Ozone layer 16 September day. Quad Leader Summit US. Quad Leader Summit US. 100% FDI in telecom sector. 100% FDI in telecom sector. SEBI penalty 1 lakh crore Titan. SEBI penalty 1 lakh crore Titan. ISRO CBSE Niti Aayog Space Challenge to 2021. ISRO CBSE Niti Aayog. ISRO CBSE Niti Aayog Space Challenge 2021. ISRO CBSE Niti Aayog. M. Ajit Kumar, Chairman of CBIC. M. Ajit Kumar, Chairman of CBIC, declared Kushinagar Airport at custom notified airport. Kushinagar Airport at custom notified airport. Abdul Aziz Para Jammu Kashmir pass away. Abdul Aziz pass away, Jammu Kashmir. International Day of Democracy 15 September. International Day of Democracy 15 September. International Day of Democracy 15 September. PNB Rajya Sabha Kirti Puraskar 4th consecutive time. Rajya Sabha Kirti Puraskar PNB 4th consecutive time. Russia hosted 6th terrorism exercise SCO Peaceful Mission 2021. Indian Air Force. Russia hosted 6th terrorism exercise SCO Peaceful Mission to India Air Force. UNDP HDFC Greater Noida Industrial Development Authority for Dry Waste Management plus Dry Waste Management Facility in Noida. UNDP plus HDFC Greater Noida Industrial Development Corporation. UNDP HDFC Greater Noida Industrial Corporation for Dry Waste Management in Noida. SpaceX first full stake of 51 Starlink broadband satellite on Falcon 9 rocket. SpaceX first full stake of 51 Starlink broadband satellite on Falcon 9 rocket. Belgium third, India third hockey ranking. Belgium top and India first hockey ranking. South Korea submarine launch ballistic missile without nuclear weapon. South Korea submarine launch ballistic missile without nuclear weapon. Vodafone Idea, Andhra Pradesh State Disaster Management Agency plus Celtic first cell broadcasting public warning system. Vodafone Idea plus Andhra Pradesh State Disaster Management Agency plus Celtic first cell broadcasting public warning system. Ministry of New and Renewable Energy launch Pradhan Mantri Kisan Urja Suraksha एवं उत्थान महाअभियान PM Kusum. Unitransact plus HSBC Bank India. Unitransact HSBC Bank India to unify all cross-border transaction at single point. All cross-border transaction at single point. Unitransact plus HSBC Bank India. Heads of tax authorities of BRICS countries. Chairmanship of India Tarun Bajaj. Heads of tax authorities Tarun Bajaj. Government of India approve PLI automobile plus drone industry rupees. Government approve drone industries for 26,058 crore. For B sector 21.22. For B sector 21 to 22 year 1.97 lakh crore for B sector. Minimum additional production 37.5 lakh crore over 5 years. A sum of 25,938 auto sector 120 crore for drone industries. Next, September 2021, Punjab and Sindh Bank plus India Bulls Commercial Credit and India Bulls Housing Finance Limited for MSME. September 2021, Punjab Sindh Bank, India Bulls Commercial Credit and India Bulls Housing Finance Limited for MSME. While Punjab National Bank sold its entire stake in Canara HSBC OBC Life Insurance Limited. Ministry of Terrorism Northeastern Region. Ministry of Tourism Northeastern Region Prasad scheme 200 crore. TCS becomes second Indian firm to reach the USD 2000 billion market capitalization. TCS second Indian firm to reach USD 2000 billion market capitalization. India Technical and Economic Cooperation Day 15 September 1964. India Technical and Economic Cooperation 15 September 1964. Jammu Kashmir launch a digital banking mission 1 gram. Jammu Kashmir launch a digital banking mission 1 gram panchayat 1 digi pay sakhi. 1 gram panchayat 1 digi pay sakhi to promote door-to-door digital banking. Jammu Kashmir 1 gram panchayat 1 digi pay sakhi. CEO of Sansad Ravi Kumar. CEO of Sansad TV Ravi Kumar. World Economic Forum announced World Economic Forum announced Davos Cholesterol Switzerland under the theme of Working Together Restoring Trust. Government will sell up to 10% stake in Hindustan Corporation Limited. The government holds 72.7%. The government will sell up to 10% stake in Hindustan Corporation Limited. Government holds 72.7%. Ministry of Ayush plus MOU, USA's American Herbal Pharmaceutical Pharmacopoeia. Government GOM to work for empowerment and prosperity of backward classes and ministries. Chairman Rajnath Singh. Uttar Pradesh Matrabhumi Yojana scheme. PM Gramin Sadak Yojana. Loan against mutual fund Tata Capital. Kotak Mahindra Bank IISc Bangalore AI Intelligence Machine Learning Center at IISc campus. Kotak Mahindra Bank IISc Bangalore. PayNow Singapore plus RBI UPI. Indian Railway Organization of Alternate Fuel shutdown. Sunit Mishra. Indian Railway Organization of Alternate Fuel shutdown. Sunit Mishra. India's fastag metro parking facility. New Delhi. RBI third cohort MSME lending. Zimbabwe Taylor Cricket. International Young Eco Hero Ayan Shakanta. International Young Eco Hero Award. Ayan. President of International Road Federation Satish Parekh. President of International Road Federation Satish Parekh. Kazakhstan OneWeb launch 34 low Earth orbit. Kazakhstan OneWeb launch 34 low Earth orbit. Swamitva dashboard Ministry of Panchayati Raj. TCS is the first Indian tech company to cross $200 billion market capitalization. Reliance was the first, that is 205 billion. MD CEO of TCS Rajesh Gopinath. IndusInd Bank MOU escorts limited to offer financial services to farmers. IndusInd Bank escorts limited to offer financial services to farmers. Thank you so much for watching the video.